The surface has good bounce. The batters might enjoy the carry, but sometimes one ball can surprise you with that extra lift.
These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a six. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. That was a brilliant shot, perfectly executed. Long leg in place, expect some chin music from the bowler. Well, that's a massive six, made a cracking sound at the bat. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Fantastic batting that, great execution. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. That was a stunning shot. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. Good shot for a single. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. looks in good batting form. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman's played all around that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a six. Last ball coming up. That's gone high. Oh, what a catch. He managed to hang on to that. Just that one to perfection. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Well played, but straight to the fielder. Good fielding, saving crucial runs for his team. That was outstanding fielding. Good shot for a single. That's an excellent throw. Carved away through the gap for four. That is smart batting. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Turned away for a single. No ball called. Get ready for the free hit now. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. Six at the shortest side of the ground. Surely would have fallen short anywhere else on the ground. Very good running between the wickets. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. Good stop, saved a certain boundary. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Well placed into the gap, possible too. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Turned away for a single. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Very good running between the wickets. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. What a peach of a delivery. That could have troubled most batsmen in the world. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Last ball coming up. Squeeze a single there, good running. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.